Okay, Mom. Okay. We really need you to get your Christmas cards done today. Don't be goofing off. Okay? So
Yes.
let's get serious and get your Christmas cards done. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I'm trying to be a good mom.
Oh, good girl. Good girl.
Okay, so I can get started now.
Absolutely. Mom, what are you doing? You playing with the Hot Wheel? Mom, put the truck down. Let's do the.
I'm just thinking.
I know, but Mom, you got to get to work. Let's put the truck down. Get back to work. Don't even think about touching the truck, Mom.
Oh, but
Okay.
it's so cute.
Mom,
I like how it moves.
we are trying to get Christmas cards. Christmas is like, oh my gosh, 10 weeks.
It's so cute. I'll let it right up there.
That's it. When Pat sees this and Jackie sees this, they're going to come unglued.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Get to work.
Okay, okay.